create a, by using that we can create list of values. Let us understand small little theory. List function takes parameter. Yeah, this is the parameter. Sir, it should be sequence actual. It should be range is a sequence. If you want, you can provide tuple also. T equals to, here you can provide kind of some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still this is valid actual. It should be tuple, whatever the parameter you are passing. But Daniel, can I pass single value? No. You will get error. You will get what, Sarji? Error. The point is, list function takes parameter as a sequence object. Repeating again, list function takes parameter as a sequence. Can I pass single value? No, Sarji. If you are passing, you will get error. If you are passing, you will get what exactly? Error. What is that error? Type error. One more time. What error? Type error actually. Type error. List function accept sequence as a parameter. Otherwise error, Sarji. Talk with me. Otherwise error. We will get error. Okay. Let's move on then. That point I have highlighted here. This parameter should be sequence. Either it can be range, list, set, tuple, dictionary. Otherwise, we'll get error. Otherwise, we'll get what, Sarji? Error. Make a note on this one. Go. Make a note on this one. How many functions I'm using? 3. Range, list, print. One more time. Move on. List having mutable nature. We done this one. Once we created a list object, then we can change or modify elements in existing object actually. It is not in every time. Based on requirement, my requirement will be I would like to change value, possible. I would like to change value, possible. If it is a list data structure. If it is what, Sarji? List data structure. Repeating again. Now here I wanted to talk about what is mutable and what is immutable. What is mutable and what is immutable. I already covered a long back, but anyway, sir, when you're talking about the mutable, can be changed. Can you talk with me what it is? Can be changed. What can be changed? Data can be changed. Or you can also call as a modify. You can also call as a update. What it can be changed, it can be modified, it can be updated. Data. One more time. Data can be modified. The best example is list data structure. What is the best example, sir? List data structure. Did you create a list with the data? That data can be modified actually, right? Daniel, what do you mean by immutable? What do you mean by what, Sarji? Immutable, right? Can you repeat again? Cannot be. Change or modify or update actually. Cannot be. Yeah. Best example, so string you already know. Am I right? String you already know. Along with that, today let me cover a tuple data structure. What data structure?
Tuple.
Yeah, tuple. Slowly points are coming outside actually. List having mutable nature. Tuple having immutable nature. What nature? Immutable nature. Right. What can be changed? Data can be changed. What cannot be changed? Data cannot be changed. Data cannot be changed actually. Let me show you one small example so that you will get an idea. Right. So I mean to say list having chuptara mutable nature. I covered this example yesterday. Now anyway, let me just try to cover one more time. Equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I would like to print the first value. So how to print first value? By using indexing. Chappan sir, by using indexing. Then you can just try to use index A of what exactly? Talk with me of 0. You are getting, so list we are printing. Yeah, Daniel. And at the same time, what we are printing? A of 0 we are printing. A of 0 we are printing. Okay? Good. I don't want the first value as a 10. I just wanted to replace the first value as a 99. Up to you, any value. You can give string actually here. Do you want to give string? Yeah, you can give string also. This is possible actually, right? Now let me provide as a 99. I have provided 99. Sir, what happened, successfully it can be updated. Successfully it can be what exactly? Update actually. Conclusion of the story, list having mutable nature. List having mutable nature. Let me cover the next one. Tuple having immutable nature. Tuple having immutable nature. Let me show you this example. Anyway, tuple is upcoming topic. Sir, tuple or tuple actually? Tuple. You have to pronounce like a tuple actually. Sorry. Let me just try to execute this example. First of all, t equals to, otherwise a equals to, still that is okay. 10, 20, 30, 40. Do you wanted to print that? Yeah, Daniel, I would like to print. Yeah. What is the confirm? If you guys are talking, sir, please be silent. If you guys are talking, please be silent. Thank you. Yeah, good. You got a tuple. You got what, Sarji? Tuple actually. Yeah, good. Very good. Then Daniel, can I access the first value A of 0? You can access, Sarji. you can access. Yes, see? Same thing, almost like a list. Almost like what, Saji? In list, we created all values. Yes, it is displaying. Even we are trying to, fetching the first value, getting the first value, accessing the first value by using index. Tuple also we done. But do one thing. Daniel, can I modify the first value? No, sir. If it is tuple, please don't do that actually. Daniel, I will do that. It's okay. You try actually. Now in list, same example in list data structure, it is valid. But the same example in tuple data structure, it is what, Saji? Invalid. You will get an error. You will get what error? Type error. Conclusion of the story. List having mutable nature. Tuple having. Let's move on. If you wanted to more discussion, we'll discuss during tuple data structure. Let's move on. Once you created a list, based on requirement, you can update the value. You can update what, Saji? Value. Yeah, see, once we created a list object, then we can change or modify the elements in the existing list object. So, list having mutable nature. What nature, Saji? Mutable nature. Yeah, move on. Accessing elements from the list. Accessing elements from what, Saji? List actually. Yeah, good. So, we can access, when you're talking about the list data structure, Daniel, list to data structure. This is important point. First, you need to understand how to create. Actually. How to what exactly, sir? Create. The next one, you need to understand how to access the values. How to access what, Saji? Values in a list actually. In a what exactly? List. How to create a list with values. With what exactly, man? Values, right? So, how to create a list with values actually? Any idea? First one, square brackets. Chappan sir, first one, square brackets. Next one, list function. We already done this. Now the next one will be, I will go according with order. Sorry. Move on. Daniel, how to access the values? How to access what exactly? Values actually. Would have a three ways. So the first one by using indexing, it is possible. By using what, Saji? Indexing, it is possible. Second one by using slicing. Third one by using for loop. This we are using in real time more and more actually. Rather than the index, rather than the slicing. But anyway, I will cover both actually. Are you clear, Saji? Right. I have created a list, sir. It is having some values. Now it's a right time I wanted to access one by one value. I wanted to access what, Saji? One by one value. Yeah. The first one by using indexing. Yeah, it is possible. Second one by using slicing. Third one by using for loop. Let me show you these examples, you will get an idea. Keynote. Accessing values by using index. Accessing value by using what, Saji? By using index. Daniel, what is index? Simple. The position of value where it stores. Chappan sir? The position of value where it stores. Right? Where it stores. It's okay. So I'm from Telugu medium background, that's still okay. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now Daniel, 10 value, 20, 30, 40. I would like to say this is the value. This what, Saji? Value. Right? And you can just have to make a note index. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 to what exactly, sir? 3. Sir, this is positive index. This is what index actually? Python follows negative index also. Python follows what, Saji? Negative index also, but we are not using this one. I would like to say this is the negative. This is what exactly? Positive actual. Negative index, you see, positive index starts from left to right. Positive index starts from what, Saji? Left to right. Left to what exactly? Right. Left to right actually. Negative index starts from right to left. Right to right. Right? Now here -1. The next one -2. Next one -3. Next one -4. -4 actually. This is really beautiful. Conclusion of the story. Do you want to access 10 value? Access index. Either 0 you can access or what exactly, sir? -4 you can access. But positive index, you please remember actually. I wanted to access 40. Then you can access what I wanted to access last value. Go for -1. Go for what, Saji? If I say last value, why you need to count the index actually? You can directly go for -1. You can directly go for, otherwise you can go for 3 also. That is fine for me. Make ardhamayindha sir, right? Yeah, move on. Daniel, what do you mean by index? The position of value where it stores is called as an index. One small important point. By using index, by using index, we can access only one value at a time. Only one value, what Sarji? At a time, that's it. Are you using index actually? Yeah, Daniel. Then only one value will get actual. Only one value. First value, second value, third value, fourth value, like that actually. Let me show you one small example. You will get an idea. All good? Equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now let me print A. You are printing all values in one shot actually. Why these many, Daniel? Let's close this. All right. Good. We are getting all values actually. Now, boss, I wanted to access first value A of 0. I wanted to access second value A of 1. A of 1 actually, right? Like this respectively, you can access all values. See, A of 0, 10 value. A of 1, 20 value respectively. Did you understand? Good. Now, hold on. So, this is the way we can access. Chapter, sir. This is 2 and this is 3. Now, we got it right. The total only 40. I wanted to access 50 also. How to access, sir? A of 4. You can try to access 4 actually. Let me explain positive and negative indexing. Very good. You got it, I guess. All values we print. This is the last index. This what exactly? Don't cross the last index. I mean to say, Daniel, at least just for fun. Can I access the index 5th actually? First of all, is index is available? No. If index is not available, if you're trying to accessing, you will get an error. Error name is called as a index error. What error? Index. What error? Yeah, let me show you. Exactly. First it is printing all values. There is reason. Even though error y output, because of it is a runtime error. During exception handling I will tell actually. But you know, till where it is accessing till 4, but last index it is not available. You are getting what error, Sachi? What error? Yeah, make a note on this. Let us separate each and every example. Simple index error. The index which is not available, if you are trying to accessing, you will get index error. You will get what error, Saji? Index error. Let us apply negative indexing also. This is possible, but you know, first of all, indexing itself is a very rare we are using. Chala rare ga use chestam. Don't worry. Daniel, can I apply A of -1? A of what, Saji? -1. That is a syntax. We need to understand. Yeah, good. The last value we got it. Actually. Yeah, fine. Let's move on. This is so called as a negative index. What index, sir? Negative index. Fine, then this is so called as indexing. The next one, what is the next topic? You know, slicing. Chapter, sir, what is the next one? Slicing. Simple. Slicing is a technique. Technique actually. By using this, we can access, you know, so sublist from main list. From what exactly? Main list. Daniel, what do you mean? Hold on, I will tell you. Let me repeat again. Slicing is a technique. Simple, it is a technique. So, if you wanted to access the whole list, 60, 70, 30, okay, 80. Everybody make a note on this. Let me just try to print A. And we are getting output here actually. We are getting output what exactly, sir? Here. That's still okay. You can just have to take this one. And I would like to take this actually. Daniel, can you please explain about the backend representation? Let me explain. The value starts from 10. The next one 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. It's okay, sir. 70 or chalo. Enough. Good. I have a question. What is the starting index? Chapter index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wanted to access only 40. Then what is the syntax actually? A of 3. Very good. I wanted to access only first value. What is the syntax? A of 0. But my requirement will be, I wanted to, this one is called as a main list, Sarji. This one is called as a main list, madam. But I wanted to access sublist. What do you mean by sublist, you know? From the main list, I wanted to access only first to 3 value. Yeah, possible. Otherwise, I wanted to access 30 to 50. Possible. I wanted to access 50 to 70. I wanted to access 22, sir. Anything is possible by using slicing. By using what? Slicing actually. By using slicing. Slicing syntax kindly please follow. Very rare we are using this one also, right? You have to provide list actually. The list object you need to provide. And here you need to provide starting index you need to provide. So starting index, the next one ending index you need to provide. End index also you need to provide. Step value also we do have, but we are not using in real time. Make a note on this one. Step value also we do have, but we are not using. You can ignore the step value. Step value. Yeah, good. Now I have a question for you. Can somebody tell me? A of, let us provide 0 column. Let me just try to provide till 3. Let me provide what exactly, sir? Till 3. Good. Daniel, kindly please explain. Let me give explanation for this actually. Sir, 0 means starting position. 0 means what, sir? Starting is a 0. End value. What is the end index you have given? 3, right? 3, right? 3 minus 1, it will be applicable automatically. Then what is the last index actually? 2. Same thing like a range data type. Did you remember? Not only range, string data type. What data type, sir? Then what values you will get actually? 10, 20, 30. Why? Because 0 to I'm sorry, starting from 0 to 2 actually. That is index. Can I run this code? Are you ready? Yeah, good. Let's run this. This is called as a accessing sublist from main list. Accessing sublist from what, Sarji? Main list. Possible. Anything is possible. Slicing. Can you tell me what it is? Slicing. Let's move on. Online team, let me, oh my god. Are you following? Seems to be 11 messages just now I have sent. Online team, please, I am waiting for your response. Soumya garu, Jalaja garu, Navneet Reddy, Sushma garu, fine then, thank you. Move on. Oh, sir, we are discussing about accessing list. We are discussing about accessing what exactly? List. And next we done. The next one, slicing we done. Next one, for loop. This is a very common we are using actually. This is a very commonly using syntax. Now accessing syntax by using list plus for loop. List plus what loop actually? For loop. Even I will explain why for loop came. If no for loop, what happened? For loop లేకపోతే వచ్చే ప్రాబ్లం చెప్తాను చూడండి. Equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Let me just try to print A. Otherwise, is it okay for you? Values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let me just try to print what, Sajay? Values. Yeah, good. This is a bunch of values. Group of values. Total how many values? 4. Suddenly my requirement will be, there are 2 requirements. Let me explain. I don't want to see all values in at a time. Seems to be you are seeing all values in one shot actually. But I wanted to print one by one value. I wanted to access one by one value. For loop is added advantage. That is a requirement number 1. Requirement number 2 will be, so for all these values, first value, second value, third value, fourth value, I wanted to add one value. I wanted to add what, Saji? One value. Right. You guys are thinking like plus 2. You guys are thinking like what, Saji? Plus 2. No. You can make a note on this one. You will get what error, Saji? My requirement will be, let us take a list. I'm thinking like for list, all values I wanted to add one by one value. I mean to say for 10, I wanted to add 2. 20, 10, wanted to add 2. 20, wanted to add 2. 30, wanted to add 2 respectively. Then first you do one thing. Here 2 operations are involving. First to get one by one value, then add the value. Then what, Saji? Add the value, right? Now for value in values, then you can print value in print cheyandi. While you are printing the value, do you want to apply some operation? You can apply actual. Meeku ardhamayinda, sir? This is really great added advantage actually. Hope you got a clear picture. Did you understand or not, sir? Value plus what exactly mean? What is the value? 10. 10 plus 2. What is the result? Yeah, you are getting kind of some 12, 22, 32, 42 actually. I have a question for you. How many keywords here? I will cry. మీరు చెప్పొద్దు. హోల్డ్ ఆన్. లెట్ మీ గివ్ వన్ మోర్ స్మాల్ ఆప్షన్. కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పండి బాబు. 3 అని 4 అని చెప్పదు. చెప్పండి అనమాట. 2. టెల్ మీ ఫస్ట్ వన్. ఫర్, ఇన్, వై 3? 3 ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? రైట్, ప్లీజ్. ఇట్స్ ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఓకే. నేమ్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు రాజు, రాణి, వాణి, Daniel. Yeah, let us just have to print these all. Can I print one by one? Chappan sir. For name in names. Yeah, okay, hold on. Daniel, let us print names. Let us print what, Sarji? Names actually. Please understand. Sir, first to point. Names is a list to data type. Names is a list to data type actually. No, my requirement will be, I wanted to convert all our uppercase. No. You should not provide here upper actually. You should not provide. Upper is a method where you need to apply, on string you need to apply. But where you are applying, list you are applying. Where you are applying? Then what we need to do, get one by one value. For name in names, then print what, Sarji? Name. Yeah, good. Yeah. Let us print one by one first of all. Then I wanted to convert into upper. Now you can perform. Conclusion of the story, sometimes our requirement will be, I wanted to fetch one by one value, getting first value, apply operation, getting second value, apply operation. For loop will be helpful for you here. Anduku for loop vachindi. Meeku ardhamayinda Sarji? Yeah, good. Now let us just to see the output. Yeah, good. Raju, Rani, Vani, Daniel actual. Did you understand, sir? Let's move on. I have a question for you. Can somebody tell what is upper? Method in string. Method in? Very good. Very nice. Good man. We done these are all. I hope you guys need to walk through these are all. Even you sir chudandi meeku oka idea vastadi. What breakfast I had? Yeah. So seems to be, I wanted to hear from you. Come on, Sarji. Come on. Are you ready? Just only left hand side. Come on, read one more time. Create, store. One more time. Very nice. Sweet voice actually. Let us move. We done these are all. So index, slicing, for loop. You guys kindly please walk through these are all. Yeah. Index error, I already covered this. Now slicing you guys need to walk through please. What is the starting index? Step size you can ignore, sir. What I covered kindly please follow. Other things are not required. So this is kind of some, so slicing. Now the move on to the next one. Accessing list by using for loop. Why red color? Length function. Let's continue. After this, methods and list. Yeah. Beautiful topic. Get ready to understand. Time is 10. Length function. Daniel, I do have a values. 10, 20, 30. The next one, Raju. The next one, Daniel. Something like this. Okay, Chada? Yeah, good. Print off. Let us just have to print all values. Let us just have to print what, Sarji? All values. Chudandi, everybody make a note. Yeah, good. Now I wanted to, then you need to call a one function. Function name is called as a length function. What function? Length. Length is a predefined function. By using that, we can find the number of values present in sequence. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really very good. Total 5 values actually. Are you clear? Repeating again. Length is a predefined function. By using that, we can find the number of values. What exactly, man? Why this function? Imagine if this length is not available. Sir, you need to spend some time manually. You need to count 1, 2, 3. It takes a lot of time actually. Think like just matter of 5. Think like 5 million values. How many values? 5 million. You seriously started counting. I know, in between you got a phone call actually. Go on, guess. Are you with me or not, sir? Then here, length function helping us actually. What function, sir? Length function. Okay. Length function. Let me tell you one small important point. You guys need to understand. Length is a function you can apply on sequence. You can apply on, good. Values is a sequence you can apply. Now, Daniel, can I get 1 by 1 value? Yes, you can get 10 value, 20 value, 30 value. Now, length I wanted to apply on Raju. Yes, you can apply. Why? Because Raju is a sequence. Raju is what, Saji? Length you cannot apply on 10. Length you cannot apply on 30. But length you can apply on values. Length you can apply on Raju. Length you can apply on. Are you clear, Saji? Right? Now, we'll do one thing. Let us apply length on Raju. Let us apply length on what, Saji? Raju. First of all, you should understand how to access that Raju. How to access actually 0, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Yes, we got Raju also. We got what exactly, sir? Raju. Yeah, good, beautiful. Now, just you can apply this. You can apply this. Then, hyphen it. That's it actually. Then what is the total Raju characters actually? 4. This is beautiful. Length we applied on list. Length we applied a value in a list. That should be sequence. That should be what, Sarji? Meeku ardhamainda? Yeah, good, very good. I understand your question. I understand. A equals to 10, 20, 30. B equals to, hello. Then C equals to only 10. Length function you can apply on A. Length function you can apply on B. Length function you should not apply on. Yeah, see, it is a single number actually. How can you apply? Length of A possible, Sarji? The next one, length of B possible. Length of what exactly, sir? B possible. Now, let me just show you the output actually. Yeah, what is output? 3 and 5. But Daniel, can I apply length of C actually? No, sir. You will get error. You will get what exactly? Error. Oh, sorry. Please don't scold. See. It is not callable actually. Yeah, good. So, type error. What error? Type error. It is directly telling, I don't know what is a C. So, seems to be that is not a sequence actually. That's why here I didn't apply. Here I have applied actually. Pratidaniki reason untadi. Nenu enduku ikkada apply cheyaledante we should not apply. Why here applied means this is the sequence. Conclusion of the story, length is a function we should apply on sequence. Length is a function we should apply on. Very nice, very nice. Length is this is predefined function. By using this, we can find number of values. Presence in sequence. Presence in what, Sarji? So sequence actually. Presence in sequence. We should apply length on sequence only, otherwise error. We should apply, length function on sequence only. On what exactly, sir? Sequence only, otherwise error. Very good. Perfect. Fine, then move on. We done these are all. We even done these are all. By using length function, we can find the length of the list. This function returns the number of elements present in list actually. Good. Wow, my favorite topic, sir. Topic name is a methods in list data structure. What is the topic name? Methods in list data structure. List data seems to be almost similar heading we have seen somewhere. A long back I have covered. The topic name is a methods in string. Yeah, methods in string class. There I covered actually. Same story again. but I can move very quickly actually. Why? Because previously I already covered. Previously, if anyone missed my previous discussion, today try to understand actually same discussion actually. Can I continue? Yeah, let's move on. The topic name is a methods in list data structure. What is the topic name? How important it is, So please follow the, focus below things actually. Focus on actually. So the same topic, it is available. Methods, okay, hold on. Methods in str class. I'm sorry. str class actually. The next one. Methods in what exactly? List class. The next one. Methods in set class. Methods in, if you want, I can separate like this actually. This one is a tuple class. Let us go with order. Methods in set class. The next one. Methods in dictionary class. The next one. Methods in series class. The next one. Methods in data frame class. Methods in linear regression class. Methods in sequential class. Sequential class. Methods in agent class actually. Enough, I guess. Enough. Sir, this is belongs to Python. This one also belongs to Python. This is not Python. This is data analysis. What is that? After Python, it will come actually. This is machine learning. What it is? Machine learning. This is deep learning. This is AI agents actually. Agentic AI. Trust me, we are in what, Sarji? We are in Chapandi 2025. In 2030, in 2030 what exactly? New library is coming. Just imagine. No doubt at all, they should use method topic actually. They should use, no doubt in that. Aslandro samasya ledu. They should use what topic, sir? Methods topic actually. Then please focus today. Did you understand? God, make a note on this. These are all important topics, sir. We are covering. One cinema is already done. Now we are entering into the next topic actually. Topic name is a methods in a list class. What is the topic name? Can I continue? Let's take this. Before entering into the topic, comparing like this will be, you will get a clear picture. Oh, this is important. I should not skip this one actually. I wanted to create that interest actually. Apart from that, nothing. Okay. To understand methods in list class, then you need to understand 2 points actually. You need to understand 2 points. What are those points? Point number 1. List is a predefined class, Sarji. List is a predefined class. Will prove practically. Second one will be, generally speaking, class contains methods. Class contains, one more time, class contains methods actually. Okay. List is a predefined class. How str is a predefined class? Same story came again actually. List is a predefined class. Then how to prove? Very simple. Do you wanted to prove it actually? List is a predefined class. Yeah, we already know this. You can create a equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let me just try to print a. I wanted to check the type of a. Then class will respond. I'm telling like this is the list actually. Yeah, this is the list. But what is a backend? Backend, it is a class, Sarji. Backend, it is what exactly? Class. Now, not only look at list actually. You can look at what exactly? Class. List is a class. List is a, this is a practical proof. List is a predefined class. But what is a class? How to create a class? Upcoming session. During object-oriented programming language, I will cover actually. The next one. Class contains what, Saji? One more time. Class contains methods. Good. I'm going to creating a class. It's okay. Inside class, methods are available. Method number 1. Method number 1. The next one, method number 2. The next one, method number 3. Like this actually. Go back to the str class. Yeah, str class. str class having methods. Upper method. Did you remember? The next one, lower method. Yeah. So the next one, count method. The next one, replace method. Chappan edi? Title. Okay. Sorry. Sure. Anyway. Thank you. Good.
Strip.
How a class contains methods, str also class contains what exactly, sir? Sir, today list is a class. Today what exactly? List class contains first method. We'll see what kind of method actually. List class contains second method. We'll see step by step. Method 1, the next one method 2. I will prove practically so that you will get a clarity actually. Comparing like this is really matter. Really matter. Are you talking about the class actually? Sir, class contains methods. Chapter class contain. Think like class is a human body. Class is what exactly, sir? Human body. Inside human body, heart is available. What is available, sir? Heart is. Then why methods actually? Why methods? To perform an operation, sir. Chapandi to perform an operation. Operation perform చేయడానికి మనం యూస్ చేస్తాం మెథడ్స్ ని. Why? I need that space. అయ్యో. Wait. Here also అయ్యో. I'm sorry, hold on. Some small hadavadi actually. Next one. Yeah, good. So heart is it will perform operation, sir. It will pumping the blood actually. Am I right? So the main organ for a heart to perform an operation, or else action, anything you can say, or else task, anything you can say. Let us take a brain. Let us take what exactly? Who are all having the brain? We are thinking. What exactly, sir? Thinking. That is nothing but an operation. That is nothing but an operation actually. Good. Now let us enter into the discussion. Yeah. Move on. I wanted to repeat again. Do you wanted to understand this topic actually? Yes, Daniel, I wanted to understand. Then remember 2 points actually. What is the 2 points? List is a predefined class. The next one, class contains
Methods.
Good. Daniel, can you please prove these points? Daniel, can you please prove? Can you please what exactly prove these actually? Prove this. Yes, I'm happy to prove. Yes, happy to prove actually. Then let us just to start the discussion. To understand this topic, methods in list data structure, there are 3 topics you have to be understand. There are 3 important topics. To understand that 3 important topics, let me go on important point. That point will be any Python program you can implement in a 3 ways. Gurtunda? You can implement in a 3 ways. The first one will be procedure oriented, second one will be function oriented, third one will be object oriented actually. Procedure oriented approach. Exactly. We already know this. A long back I covered actually. Jamana time lo cover chesaను. Right. The next one will be function oriented actually. The next one object oriented approach. Object oriented what exactly, sir? Approach actually. Hold on. Repeating again. Take any program. Today we have created a list actually. Same list we can implement by using procedure oriented, madam, by using function oriented, by using you can implement actually. Let me explain one by one. What is procedure oriented approach? Writing a program by using procedure. Chapandi. Writing a program by using procedure is called as a procedure oriented actually. Good. Is called as a procedure oriented. Best example I would like to write. Hello. Good morning. Then print off requesting don't sleep during session. During what exactly? Session. Simple, I have written a program. Right? What program I have written? Procedure oriented approach I used actually. What approach, sir? Procedure oriented. Simple, I am writing a program like a procedure. First line, second line, third line actually. First line, second line, what exactly? Third line. Do you want to nini program execute cheyala? Do you wanted to I need to execute this? No. Because by this time you should know actually. Sir, let us enter into the next one. What is the next one? Yeah. Function oriented approach. By this time you should know function. Me telvali actually. We already done this topic. Writing a program by using function. Chapandi sir. Writing a program by using function is called as a function oriented approach. Is called as what approach? Daniel, I wanted to understand function topic nicely. I'm sorry. I wanted to understand function topic nicely. Then 2 points you need to be understand, Sarji. 2 points. What is the first one?
Function creation.
How to create a function.
How to call a function.
Yeah, very good. Then how to call a function. How to call what, Sarji? Function. Yeah, you know by this time. Let us create one small example. DEF. We can create a function by using DEF keyword. We can create a function by using def. Let me create a function. Naresh, please be silent. Hello, silent. Print. Good morning. Successfully we have created a function, Sarji. After function created, don't celebrate festival immediately. What we need to do? Call a function. Call a function. Call a function. We know by this time. While calling the function name should be match. Good. Let us just do this exam. What went wrong? Yeah, sorry. Please don't scold me. Let's check this. Oh, print also something went wrong. Correct, kada? Good. Let us just run this code. We got an output actual. Two approaches we done. First one, procedure oriented. Second one, function oriented. Why quickly I covered, because we know the function. We know what's such a function. Now third one you don't know. Let us spend here some decent time actually. What is the third one? Sir, this topic belongs to object oriented approach. That's what? That is interlink actually. Generally, no trainer never connect like this. Trust me. Evaru kuda ila connect cheyaru. But why I'm connecting, I would like to explain always roots actually. Roots ante I would like to explain from scratch. Adi cinema appudu meeku ardham avutundi. Right? Let me stop my overaction. Let us continue. What is object oriented approach? Yeah. Writing a program by using below topics. writing a program. Program by using what, Sarji? Below topics is called as a, what are those topics, sir? Class. The first one, class topic required. The next one, method is required. Inside class we can create a method. The next one, object is required. The next one, what is required? Object is required. If you are able to create a program by using class method object, by using what exactly? Class method object, it is called as a object oriented approach. Good. Daniel, I wanted to become expert in whoops. This object oriented programming approach also having another word actually. That word is called as a whoops. Object oriented programming principles. System also you can say, right? I wanted to become expert in whoops. I wanted to become expert in what, Sarji? Whoops. If you wanted to become expert in function, how you learn 2 points actually? Same thing like that. To become expert in whoops actually, there are 4 points, Sarji. Actual cinema is going to start now. There are 4 points. I will explain slowly. Are you ready? Good. First point. How to create a class. Chapter sir, how to create a class. You should understand.
How to create
one more time. How to create a
method.
Class. A few guys are sleeping. Please wake up actually. How to create a method. How to create a method inside of the class. Either method or methods inside of the class. Inside of what, Sarji? Class. Third point will be how to create an object. How to create what exactly, sir? An object.
How to call a method.
Fourth point, how to call a method.
Yeah.
How to call what, Sarji? Method. Right? This is what you need to be understand. If you understand these 4 points, you will get a clear picture. You will get what, Sarji? Clear picture. See, I wanted to tell you. Can you read this word? Yeah, just read this word actually. Method. Yeah, even read this word method actually. That's the interconnection along to the link. Let me continue. Can you repeat again? How to create a class. How to create a methods inside of the class. The next one, how to create a object. How to call a method actually. Sir, please don't speak during the session. All these points I will write one small example. You will get an idea.
Class. Harsha.
Thank you. No, mine only. Nade sir. Nade. Kangarabadu. The next one, please. Key points actually. Make a note. Key points. We can create a class by using class keyword. We can create a class by using class keyword. The next one. We can create a method by using def keyword. What keyword actually? Def keyword. The next point. Object creation syntax. So this is the object creation syntax actually. Variable name equals to class name parenthesis required. I can highlight later actually. We can call method by using object name. By using what name? Object name actually. I understand you didn't understand all these points. I will explain one small example. You will get a clarity. But before that, I am covering actually. Everybody make a note. Are you ready? Good.
Class.
I would like to create a class. Let me create a class. Class name is a Daniel.
Daniel.
Let me create a class. Class name is a
Daniel.
class name. Always give your name so that you never forget actually. And one more important point. Whenever you are creating your own class, I am creating my own class.
Initial.
First letter always capital letter. First letter always Daniel. Why? Wait until whoops. There is a separate discussion actually. Good. We can create a class by using class keyword. After class keyword, after name of the class, column symbol is required, madam.
Yeah.
What is required? Column symbol. What symbol? It's a column symbol but not semicolon. If you are giving, you can try. You will get a syntax error. You will get what error? Syntax error actually. Go to the next line. Indentation. Go to the next line. Indentation. Now, you open the class door actually. Inside class, we need to create a methods. As per the rule. As per the rule, inside class, we need to create a methods actually. Method we can create like this actually. def. So let me just try to create a method. Method name is a teaching and self is mandatory. And the print, I like it. I used to teach DS and AI. DS and AI. Gen AI also. It's okay. Let me just try to add. Sir, what happened, successfully, two things we done actually. First one, we created a class successfully, madam. The next one, inside class. That word is important. Inside class, we created a method. We created what? Don't spell out it is a function. That is not, if it is a function, both are not same. Function is different, method is different actually. If both are same, why two topics actually? There are big arguments and big debates in outside actually. But with real-time experience, I'm telling, function is different, method is different actually. Right? Good. Once, see, let me tell you. Okay, chinna vishayam. DAF Naresh. Yeah, good. You can call Naresh directly. Hello? You can call Naresh. What exactly, sir? Directly. You can call. You can call. But when it comes to method, you should not call directly. How you are calling the function? How you are calling what, Sarji? Function. Like a method, you should not call directly. If you are calling, you will get error. You will get what, Sarji? Error. Error name is a name error. What error, madam? Name error. I can write quickly. DS and A. Can I call directly like this? No. You should not call. You should not call like this actually. Right? Yeah, good. Name error. What error? A small suggestion. Use notepad only to writing a program. Daniel, why? Every letter you need to type. All senses it will be. మీరు ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే very careful గా ఉంటుంది. But if you are using any IDE, what happen, whenever you are writing class keyword actually, automatically that IDE will tell, Anna, are you looking for class keyword actually? It will ask a suggestion. Initially, don't take suggestions. Initially, don't. Once you export actually, you can take a suggestion. You can take what suggestion? If you started taking suggestions from IDE, at certain point of time, without IDE, you cannot work actually. IDE lekunda meer work cheyaleru. But you have to work without IDE. I like to work in Notepad actually. Why? Because if it is Notepad, you should know the rules and fundamentals very clearly actually. Daniel, continue. D equals to Daniel. D equals to what exactly, sir? Daniel. This the whole line is called as a object creation syntax. What syntax, Sarji? Yeah, good. LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side simple variable name. Right hand side class name with parenthesis. Left hand side what is available, that is called as object actually. Right hand side what is available, that is called as a class name. That's still okay. Anything you can call actually. Good. Left hand side name of the variable. Object you can say, you can also call as a variable, but I can recommend object actually. Left hand side. Right hand side name of the class with parenthesis symbol. Name of the class with what symbol? Parenthesis. 3 points we done actually. Point number 1, created a class. Point number 2, created a method inside of the class. Very good. Point number 3, object creation. Created object actually. 3 points we done. What is the 4th point? Call the method. Ultimately, why this object came, do you wanted to call this method actually? Use object. Use what, Saji? Object. We can call method by using object name. We can call method by using, there is no alternative. Only this is the way. ఇంకా వేరే మార్గం ఉందంటే no. There is no alternative actually. There is no alternative, right? Now D dot what, Sarji? I'm sorry. D dot teaching. D dot what exactly? Look at my screen. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice actually. Now let us just hover my mouse. I wanted to hear. Can you tell me what is the Daniel name of the class? What is the teaching? Name of the method. What is the name of the object? What is the whole line? Object creation. What is this line? Method calling. Sorry. Can you tell me what it is? Method calling. Can you tell me whole line? Object creation. Can you tell me name of the class? Can you tell me? Like this you need to remember. This example I request you, do it more than 10 times actually. Very, very important, sir. If you really understand this one, beautiful. The whole list you can understand actually. Indirectly, I explain whole list in internal structure actually. Like how you have created a Daniel class, Python creator created a list class. How you have created a teaching method inside Daniel class, Python creator created a methods inside list class actually. Inside what class, Arji? Beautiful, man. Like that you need to be understand. Slowly by slowly I will cover. Don't worry. What is the time? 10:28. Few guys are looking at the clock. Time is 10:28, sir. Oops program actually. Daniel, can you explain the theory? Sure, Sajid. Class. What is the class? Keyword in Python. Daniel, name of the class. DEF, చెప్పండియా keyword. The next one, teaching, name of the method, kada? Little theory, self, you can ignore self as of now. And D equals to Daniel. D, name of the object, చెప్పండి, name of the object. Sorry. Sorry, sir. D equals to Daniel. Can somebody tell me? Object creation, creating an object. Object to class, creating an object to what exactly? Class. D dot teaching, method calling the method. What exactly? Method calling or else calling the method. Wow. Awesome, Sachi. Except self, we given left and right for everything actually. What is a self? Upcoming discussion. Like that you need to understand from, so class to what exactly till parenthesis actually. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? Conclusion. The conclusion will be, we can call method by using object name. By using what name? Object name. By using object. Punishment. You guys are reading slowly actually. Let us read this point 2 times. Come on, one more time. We can call method by using, one more time. Very nice, Sachi. Very nice. Now we are almost near to enter into the topic. Online team, how are you? Did you understand this example? Please do practice this example many number of times. Sarji, Mukhtar Sarji, why self will discuss later. Why self will discuss later. Soni Garu, Vani Garu, Abhishek. Fine, then we can move on. Daniel, can we enter into the topic actually? Just to hold on for another 5 minutes. Inkoka 5 minutes discussion on the. After that we can enter actually. Are you ready? Good. Let me create one more method so that you will get a clarity actually. Right, good. Let me just try to create a Daniel. DF teaching. Self. Let me rewrite again so that you will get a clarity. I would like to say DS AI and Gen AI. The next one, DF preaching during Sundays. So at church. During only Sundays. Then DF working. Self. Recently changed to JP Morgan actually. It's okay. My old company name is GE. Alright. Sir, I have a question. Can you tell me how many methods? 3 methods. How many? 3. First one, teaching, working. Oh, sorry. One more time. Teaching, preaching, working. 3 methods, 1 class. Possible. I wanted to call all methods. Yeah. Create an object. D equals to Daniel. Then D dot. Can you help me? D dot teaching. Very good. First of all, valid actually. The next one, D dot preaching. The next one, D dot working actually. Absolutely valid. Let us run this code. Very good. GA, General Electric. One of the product based top MNC company. top product based company. This one is my ex company, previous company. Good man. What is the class name? Daniel. How many methods? Good. Class contains methods. This is the practical proof actually. Class contains what, Saji? Then list is a class. Then list class contains methods. That's the proof. Adi meeku ardham kavali. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Let's take this example. Yeah. Good. So conclusion. Class contains methods. Good. Daniel. Inside class, how many methods we have? Inside class, how many methods we have? I wanted to say, right? Then we can see all those methods by using dir function. In Python, there is a one predefined function. Function name is called as a dir. What is the function name? Yeah, what you can do, print of dir. Here you can provide name of the class or name of the object. Anything is fine. Here you can provide name of the class or name of the object. Anything is fine, you can provide actually. Whenever you are calling dir function, it is giving two types of outputs. Madam, two types of outputs. First type of output is with underscore symbol. First type of output is with underscore symbol. It displays the method. That method is having with underscore symbol. Second type of output is it displays the method, but that method is having no underscore symbol. These are all methods: teaching, preaching, working. Actually, let me display. You will get an idea. Yeah. Make a note on this one. So, but you can ignore all underscore symbol. You can ignore actually. Good. Underscore symbol. You can ignore, Saji. Right. Underscore. Yeah. Good. According to the alphabetical order. Yeah. P is the first. P Padaharu. 16 actually. T 20. Right. That's what preaching. The next one teaching. The next one working. W means 23. Then how you know numbers? We know Saji. We done good practice. Right, dir function. Dir is a predefined function. By using this, we can find total methods in class. Total methods in what, Saji? Class. This function giving two types of methods. Sir, please be silent. First one with underscore symbol. What is the first one? With underscore symbol. You can ignore. As of now, not important. Next one without underscore symbol. Focus. Focus on this. Okay. Now it's the right time. I need to enter into the discussion. Good. Now, till now, whatever I have explained, that cinema is over actually. Now I need to enter into the topic. From here you can easy to understand. Are you ready? Good. Let's move. Class contain methods. Method 1, the next one method 2, the next one method 3. Good. Next one, Daniel is a class. What is the first method? Teaching. Okay. The next one preaching. I know I'm a preacher. The next one will be working. Same thing like that. When you're talking about the list actually, sir, list contain method number 1. What are the methods? We'll see step by step. First method it contains, second method it contains, third method it contains, respectively actually. Okay. Fine. It's the right time. As discussed till now, I roar like a dog, right? So I'm roaring like a. As discussed, ఇప్పటివరకు నేను చెప్పిందంతా గుర్తుంచుకోండి. List is a predefined class. చెప్పండి సార్, list is a. Yeah, good. So list class contains what, Saji? Practically we proved. Daniel class created inside Daniel class methods. Same thing like that. List is a predefined class. List is what, Saji? Then it contains methods. It contains what? What is the main purpose for the method? Simple. By using method we can perform an operation. Simple operation actually. List class contains methods because methods can be created inside of class only. We can check these methods by using one function. That function name is a dir. What is that? Dir. So internally, list class contains two types of methods. The first one with underscore symbol. You can ignore as of now. We don't need to focus. Without underscore symbol. Without underscore symbol, you have to focus actually. They have to focus. Yeah, print dir list. Name of the class I am giving. Class name is a list I'm giving, right? So with underscore symbol you can ignore. These are all important methods. What is the first one? Append, count, insert, remove, reverse, sort. These are all important. We'll see one by one actually. As per object oriented program, wherever object oriented point came actually, we'll discuss during OOPS. We'll discuss during what, Sarji? OOPS actually. These are all important method. First method name is a count. What is the first method? Somewhere we have seen, sir. Where you have seen, string. There also method name is the same. Here also method name is the same. Append, insert, remove, reverse, sort. We'll see these are all. Go to the first method. Can I continue? 10:37. I will continue. We have another 5 to 8 minutes. Would we have? I will continue. Cool. The sessions are moving on fine, right? Anyone having any questions? During session, you can ask a question. Perform. What kind of operation it will be performed? Conclusion of the story. You need to tell that belongs to which class. You need to tell how to access. You need to tell operation. Simple. Yeah, good. I like always shortcuts. Come on. Class access operation. One more time. Class access operation. Simple, sir. What class it is? List class. Count is a method belongs to the list class. Then, do you want to access actual list object is required? What object is required? List object. We can access method by using object name. We can access method by using. Very good. Daniel, what is operation? Simple, sir. Same thing. Like to find frequency of the number. To find frequency of the number. Frequency of what exactly, sir? Number. I will tell you what it mean actually. Okay, fine then. Children, okay, example chuddam. Ayyo, I didn't delete running notes, right? Program megadidi. Yeah. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Again, let us take 10, 10, 10. Let us print here. Yeah. Good. Successfully, we have created a list. Sir, left hand side, what is available? Okay, hold on. We have created a list. A small example. Creating a list. Creating what, Sarji? Creating list. Good. Let us have a small discussion. Sir, A is called as a name of the object. Name of the object to list class. Name of the object to compare. మీరు ఎలా కంపేర్ చేయాలి అంటే D equals to Daniel. As it is, you need to compare like this. How D is object to the Daniel, A is object to the list class. A is object to list class actually. If D is object, by using that D, you can call teaching method. If D is object, by using that D, you can call preaching method. Same thing like that. If A is list object, you can call list class methods. You can call what method? Exactly. Right? Let me show you. So, conclusion of the story. By using A, we can access, we can call methods. We can call what, Saji? Methods actually. We can call methods. We'll see what type of methods we'll see. 10:41. Let me show you one small example, then we can close today's cinema. A dot, there is a method name is a count. Let us count for what? So I need count for 10. Count for what, Sarji? 10. 10, how many times it is available? That is called as a frequency. How many times? 3. Conclusion of the story. Count is a method. Count is a where it is available in list actual. In list class. In what class? Then you can call method by using object name. You can call method. ఎందుకు ఇన్నిసార్లు చెప్తున్నానో తెలుసా? Why I'm telling these are all things, నాకు పనిలే కాదు. Very, very important actually. Many other students are getting confusion. Why you are calling like that? Many students, even who already know Python తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు కూడా ఈ పాయింట్ కొత్త అనిపించవచ్చు. But this is the reason actually. We can call method by using object name. One more time. We can call method by using, very good actually. While calling the method name should be matched. Otherwise, tell me. Very good. 1 or 2 guys responded nicely. Other guys need preparation. Attribute error. What error? Very nice. Error never be changed, sir. In string also I covered actually. Count method. Anyway, tomorrow also I will start from count actually. So just today I given a small quick introduction. Fine, Sarji. We done today's session. Today's session. I requesting please be regular to the session and so please start the practice. We done. That's it. Few guys are asking holidays regarding Dasra. Please check with admin. Please check with what's admin. Even they never reveal actually. If anyone knows, you even do let me know. Not kuda cheppandi. In case if admin reveal you, do let me know also. When exactly date appudu sir? Second. Okay, boss. Second Gandhi Jayanti also, right? I guess. Oh, రెండు ఒకే రోజా? అర్రే సార్ ఒక సెలవు మిస్ అయింది సార్. ఓకే, మై కంపెనీ గాంధీ జయంతి దే విల్ గివ్ హాలిడే. It's okay. You can check with admin if you are looking for holidays list actually. I don't know regarding the holidays from when to when. I don't know. Maybe maximum they will give 1 or 2 days. That's it. Last year they given 1 day.